Hello students. Direction cosines and direction ratios, one of the elective topic in the first year. Totally we have 8 electives. From these 8 electives we get one elective for the final. This is the third elective. Find the direction cosines of the two lines which are connected by the relations L minus 5n plus 3n equal to 0 and 7n square plus 5n square minus 3n square equal to 0. Okay. In this problem they are given the two equations. From these two equations we get element values. We are applying the substitution model now. Substitution model, after that we get element values. Element are take ratio form. From that we get DRs, direction ratios. Direction ratios, when direction ratios are given, find DC's formula is a by root over a square plus b square plus c square, comma b by root over a square plus b square plus c square, comma c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. We are applying that formula. Here in this problem they are asking find the direction cosines only. They don't ask the angle. Just to find the direction cosines. Okay. Now take the problem. Given equation. Given equation is first equation L minus 5m plus 3n is equal to 0. From this we get L is equal to this minus 5m is the transfer, that side becomes plus 5m and plus 3m becomes minus 3m. This is equation 1. Next, second equation is 7m square plus 5m square minus 3m square. That is the second equation, and the second equation is 7m square plus 5m square minus 3m square is equal to 0. This equation has 2. Okay, this is equation 2. Substitution model. In this problem we are applying the substitution model. What is the substitution model? Substitute this L equal to minus 5m, L equal to 5m minus 3n in equation 2. Substitute L is equal to 5m minus 3n in equation 2. That implies, equation 2 implies 7n square, 7 into L is 5m minus 3n. Substitute here 5m minus 3n whole square plus this 5m square minus 3n square is, take it as it is, 5m square minus 3n square is equal to 0. Is take it as it is. Okay. 7l square, 7 into L is 5m minus 3n whole square we have, so we take square plus 5m square minus 3m square equal to 0. Next, 7 into, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square, that is 5m whole square. 5m whole square is 25m square. 5 square is 25m square plus b square. B square is 3n whole square. 3n whole square means 3 3s are 9n square. 9n square minus 2ab. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 into mn. 30 mn. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. M into n is mn. This 5m square minus n square is taken as this. 5m square minus 3n square is equal to 0. This is taken as this. Next, this 7 is taken inside. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 175. 25 7s are 175 m square plus 7 9s are 63 n square minus 7 3s are 21. That is a 210 mn. This 5m square minus 3n square is equal to 0. Is taken as this. Okay. 7 25s are 175. 7 9s are 63. 7 30s are 210 mn. 5m square minus 3n square is taken as this. Here we have 2m square. This is a 175m square. Here we have one more 5m square. 175 plus 5. 175 plus 5 is 180 m square. Next come to mn terms. This is the 1 mn. Only we have 1 mn terms. So take it directly. That is 210 mn plus 63 minus 3. Plus 63 minus 3 is plus 60. Plus 63 minus 3. 63 minus 3 is 60 n square is equal to 0. Now from this take 30 common. 3 6 are 36 are 37 are 32. So take 30 common. Adding ties 30 common. 3 6 are 6 m square minus 3 7 are 37 are 210. That is 7 mn. 32 are 2 n square is equal to 0. This 30 is a transfer that side. 0 by 30, 0 by something is 0. Remaining is 6 m square minus 7 mn plus 2 n square is equal to 0. Now take the factorization. Here 6 2s are 12. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12. Yes. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is we get 7 only. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. And we multiply with 12. 4 3s are 12. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So this can be written as, this minus 7 mn can be written as now 6 m square, this is a take it as it is, minus 7 mn. Minus 7 mn can be written as minus 4 mn minus 3 mn. Minus 3 mn. Plus 2n square is equal to 0. Okay. Minus 7 can be written as minus 4 minus 3. Okay. From this common term, take 2m common. We have 2m common. 2m common. Take 2m common. That is 2 3s are 1m is here. Remaining is m only. So that m is here. Minus 2 2s are 2 m is here, one remaining is n only. Okay. From this take 2m common. 2 3s are 6, m into m is n square. 2 2s are 4, m into n is mn. Minus. From this common term is actually n common. We take minus n common. We take minus n common. When we take the minus common, here we have a minus, so we take plus here. Remaining is 3m. n common, remaining is 3m. Plus is, when we have plus, we take minus only. Here take minus common. So we take minus. N is out, remaining is 2n is equal to 0. Again from this common term is, here 3m minus 2n. Here we have 3m minus 2n. So take 3m minus 2n common. 3m minus 2n common. That implies 3m minus 2n common, remaining 2m minus n. 2m minus n is equal to 0. Here we have the two functions, those are equal to 0. A equal to 0, a, b equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or we take b equal to 0 also. A equal to 0 means 3m minus 2n equal to 0 or 2m minus n equal to 0. Okay. Here we have the two m values. Here we have the two m values. So we take the two cases. Now case 1 and case 2. Why we take the two cases? Here we have the two m values. 3m minus 2n equal to 0 and another one is 2m minus n equal to 0. So we take the two cases. That is case 1 and case 2. Okay. In the case 1, we take first function, that is 3m minus 2n. 3m minus 2n. In the case 3m minus 2n equal to 0. In the case 2, we take 2m minus n equal to 0. 2m minus n equal to 0. Okay. 3m minus 2n equal to 0. From this m is equal to 3m is equal to, this minus 2n is transferred this side 2m. That is m is equal to, this 3 is take that side, that is 2 by 3n. That is 2n by 3. m is we get 2n by 3. M value is we get 2n by 3. In the case 2 also we get m value. 2m minus n equal to 0 means 2m is equal to minus n is a transfer this side becomes plus n. M is equal to n by 2. Here we get from this m values in the case 1 and the case 2. In case 1 m value is this and case 2 m value is m equal to n by 2. Next we need element values now. How we get L value? Substitute m is equal to 2n by 3. Substitute m equal to 2n by 3 in equation 1. From that we get L value. Okay. Substitute m equal to 2n by 3 in equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. That implies this is the equation 1. That implies L is equal to 5 into m is 2n by 3. M is 2n by 3 minus 3n. Okay. Substitute m equal to 2n by 3 in equation 1. L is equal to 5 into m is 2n by 3 minus 3n. Now take the LCM. LCM is 3. 5 2s are 10n minus LCM is 3. Denominator we have 1 mark. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9n. 10n minus 9n is n only. So L is equal to 10 minus 9 n 1n. n. From this we get L value also. L is in terms of n. M is in terms of n. N is taken as it is n. Now take the ratio. Now take the ratio.